This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Christian Manasati. Stunning redesigned home, beautiful open floor plan, located in the quiet, active, built, golf community of Ocala Palms Golf and Country Club. This country club home has well-maintained wood floors, large kitchen area, equipped with stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinets and granite countertops, opening to the living and dining rooms, excellent for entertaining or just having an interactive family meal. This home has a huge sunroom, equipped with a summer kitchen, accessible from almost every room in the house. A well-sized master suite with walk-in closet, spacious master bath with soaking tub, walk-in shower and double sink vanity on granite countertop is a split bedroom plan with the second and third bedrooms, each having a closet and ceiling fan, and sharing a second bathroom, which has a walk-in shower and granite countertop vanity. This home also has a spacious laundry room equipped with washer, dryer, utility sink and closet, and a spacious 2-car garage. The Ocala Palms Golf and Country Club 55-plus community encompasses an 18-hole golf course, clubhouse complex including an outdoor lap pool, a poolside jacuzzi, and an indoor heated pool, restaurant, along with tennis courts, bocce ball courts, fitness center, library, and billiards room. Nearby you will find a shopping center with supermarket, banking, restaurants, fast food, and numerous smaller shops. Ocala Palms is located in the heart of Ocala Horse Country, very close to the World Equestrian Center, WEC, and emergency medical facilities. Please call me for more information or to schedule a showing appointment. For more information, review the